A grinding noise during the wash cycle can be a frustrating issue with an Amana washer. This problem is often caused by an unleveled machine, which can occur when the drain pan rubs against the bottom of the washer. Typically, this happens when a bulky load in the wash basket causes the bottom of the machine to become lower than the drain pan. To fix this issue, inspect the bottom of the machine to determine if the drain pan is grinding against it. Raising the level of the feet by tilting the plastic or metal feet anti-clockwise can help. And tightening the screw nuts on the feet below the machine cabinet is also recommended. If the problem persists, it may be necessary to check if the drain pan is damaged and replace it if needed. Overloading the washer with clothes can also cause a grinding noise. To avoid this, check the manual to determine the recommended load capacity, as bulky clothes can cause water to splash off the wash basket and lead to grinding noises. When loading clothes, it is essential to distribute them evenly, leaving room for movement, and avoiding covering the impeller's middle. By following these steps, the grinding noise can be resolved, and the washer can function properly.